space to do it. We give you homemade food and leftovers for super cheap.
Yeah, buddy.
So let's get it on.
Good eating's in here.
What we got first?
Let's see.
We got a quarter of chocolate milk. You know what? That's worth about 45 cents right there.
I say 15 cents.
Oh, we're knocking it down 15. Can't beat that.
You should call right now.
15 cents from 45, that's pretty good right there. So right now we're down at the bottom. Go
That's
ahead.
almost a whole gallon.
Oh,
Look, I think I only had a cup maybe this morning.
Oh, and you know what? It doesn't expire till
It's got a dent in it.
yeah, but it doesn't expire till in a month.
Yeah, January 30th. It's only the 26th.
Wow, your watch tells what day it is?
It's sure
My
does.
God,
I can't tell what time it is. Well, that's okay.
I mean, you got something from it. But anyways, I give you 39 cents for this one. I know, I said chocolate milk was more, but you know what? That's chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk, you know.
That's pretty good stuff.
It doesn't matter if there's only this much.
It's gourmet chocolate milk. Alright, 39 cents right there, called right down at the bottom. Hurry now, because there's only one. We may give you, oh my goodness. Guess what? Alright.
It's only about a quarter.
It's only been expired for a few days.
Actually, 17.
It's only expired for a few days. You know, that's good for you. You know, a few days gives it a little chunkiness.
It's like 9 days. 11 days. I can't count. I'm not doing math. My watch don't
Okay. 17 cents. Yeah. What we got next?
This is from December 21st.
I think we're on
Last year. Oh, God. It's
We're on a milk run. You know what? This is a collectible right here.
It's bursting at the sides.
I give you this for free if you get one of the other milks. It's a collectible right there.
For dessert, I got some red velvet cake.
Oh my goodness. You know what?
It's from November.
Yeah.
26. That's a good day.
This is like wine. The more you let it set, the better it is. I mean, you can already see how much people ate it. Hey! This is for someone else now. Now go get me something else. You know what? I'll give this to you for a dime.
Look, we even got the fancy stuff.
Oh, this comes from the good place, Omni Hut. Now,
This took us 2 months of savings.
this got a little bit of that good bread that they make. Some of the rice.
And some chicken.
Well, that's from the kebab. It's the chicken kebab.
The kebab's missing.
Well, they wouldn't let me take it. But,
We got to keep the umbrella.
oh yeah, umbrellas are complimentary. $1.
$1.
Call right down there and the number hasn't changed.
Mrs. Buttersworth. She's a pretty lady.
Yeah, now sometimes you can't get them in this bottle, but we got it just for you.
She got a nice shape.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Anyways, let's see. This one, still good for another year. That's good quality right there. Let's see. That one, let's see. What was that? 3 cents, yeah. Alright, now this one's pretty special.
Sell by today.
Because this isn't even ours. Someone put this in our fridge.
Yeah.
Which means it's going for a good price. Let's see, originally $3.39. Well, you know what?
33 cents. I think.
No, there's a dot right there.
Oh, whoops. I ain't good with the maths.
But you know what? We'll go for 33 cents. Yeah!
Yeah.
Now, this is the last item for tonight. It's our good old chicken broth. Very good, especially when you're sick with the swine. Yeah. But do not dilute with this. And you can make creamy mashed potatoes. There's recipe on the back. It's so good, you know?
My favorite.
Yeah. So
99% 3.
You can read that one. Good job.
I can read. I can't do the math.
99% means 99 cents. There we go. Oh, that's time. That's the good night, kitty. So I'll just say good night. This is Billie Bob's Hey.